Introduction to common issues with Google Analytics Tracking ID. Google Analytics is a powerful tool used to track and analyze website traffic, behavior, and conversion rates. The tracking ID is a unique identifier assigned to each property in Google Analytics, and it plays a crucial role in collecting and reporting data. However, there are several common issues that can occur with the Google Analytics Tracking ID, which can lead to inaccurate data and hinder the decision-making process. Understanding the tracking ID. The tracking ID is a string of characters that starts with UA and is followed by a series of numbers. It is used to identify the property and collect data from the website. To find the tracking ID, navigate to the Admin section of Google Analytics. Select the property, and click on the Tracking Info section. Common issues with tracking ID. One of the most common issues is incorrect or missing tracking ID. This can happen when the tracking code is not installed correctly or when the wrong tracking ID is used. Another issue is duplicate tracking IDs, which can occur when multiple tracking codes are installed on the same website. This can lead to double counting of page views and other metrics. Best practices for setting up tracking ID. To avoid common issues with the tracking ID, it is essential to follow best practices when setting it up. First, ensure that the tracking code is installed correctly and the tracking ID is accurate. Use the Google Tag Manager to manage multiple tracking codes and ensure that only one tracking ID is used. Regularly audit the website to detect and remove duplicate tracking codes. Troubleshooting tracking ID issues. To troubleshoot tracking ID issues, start by checking the tracking code installation and verifying the tracking ID. Use the Google Analytics Debugger to identify and fix issues with the tracking code. Check for duplicate tracking codes and remove any unnecessary codes. If issues persist, contact Google Analytics support for further assistance. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Google Analytics Tracking ID is a critical component of accurate data collection and analysis. By understanding common issues and following best practices for setting up and troubleshooting the tracking ID, users can ensure accurate data and make informed decisions. Regular audits and maintenance can help detect and prevent issues, ensuring that the tracking ID functions correctly and provides reliable insights into website performance.